Hi, my name's John Sutter. I'm a Key Account Manager for ABICOR BINZEL for the Laser Systems Group. Today I'm here to talk to you about remote laser welding. Remote laser welding is a non-contact form of laser welding. It utilizes laser beams to, on one side of the part, weld from about 500 to 250 millimeters away from the part. This allows for higher processing speeds as well as reduced maintenance costs and especially reduced fixturing costs. Remote laser welding works by using photons directed at the part. Robots carrying intelligent optical systems allow you to precisely position a weld on the parts and also follow the seam with the seam tracker technology. This technology uses movable mirrors and lenses to precisely position the laser beam onto the part. The high-speed nature of the remote welding process lends itself very nicely to throughput critical applications in the manufacturing environment. Because we can precisely direct the light onto the part, remote laser welding is a highly flexible tool that allows us to weld on many types of joints and many types of materials. Remote laser welding provides high-quality joining that's extremely accurate, along with high-speed joining that's in the neighborhood of 5 to 10 times faster than conventional welding techniques. Low maintenance and the elimination of filler wire significantly reduces the running costs of these systems. Some of the key benefits of a system like this are the remote nature of the product. This allows a user to have the part about 500 millimeters away from the optical system. It also allows for a high degree of automation with the use of robots, and the single-sided part contact is also a key feature for this. As optical systems have become more advanced and more precise, and the cost has come down in laser welding systems, it has opened up new possibilities for applications. If you have further questions about remote laser welding that weren't answered during the course of this video, please feel free to get a hold of your local key account manager for the Laser Systems Group at ABICOR BINZEL, or you can visit our website at binzel-abicor.com. I'm John Sutter. Thanks for watching.